Welcome to LandMagic, simple agriculture software. On your screen you will see the various products that are available under the LandMagic brand. Landmaster, which defines your land, crops, ownerships, and configuration of your land. In addition, it tracks the contacts, whether they be suppliers, workers, employees, etc. So it's a central repository of your data. GeoMaps allows you to see your land in a whole new way. And Field Time is an electronic timekeeping system that tracks time, attendance, piecework, payroll, and allows you to be labor compliant as well as streamlining your data collection process for payroll processing. Crop Care generates work orders, manages schedules, and allows you to manage a wide variety of work order types, whether they be pesticide or herbicide applications, to get a better yield out of your product. Barn Manager tracks the inventory, the bill of materials, the ingredients, the spray mixes, MSDSs, worker protection standards, and equipment within the barn enterprise. Harvesting, which is our focus of today's video, is going to focus in on scheduling and harvesting your crop. And Mobile Magic allows you to extend LandMagic out into the field to collect data at the point of activity and to bring it into the website, either directly connected to the internet or in an online application. So let's focus in on harvesting. The first thing that I'd like to focus in on is the demand. And the demand allows us to look at what do our customers want. Whether it be a processing facility or whether it be a fresh fruit operation, it allows us to sell our product and to send it to a specific destination. It can track multiple unit of measures. In this case, it's loads, and we will track what has actually been done against the demand. Down at the bottom is an area where harvesting tickets are starting to be generated, but we don't know where they're going yet. So I'm picking ahead, so to speak. So I may be picking product that needs to go into a specific warehouse or a storage location, or it's being staged in the field to go to a specific facility. The LandMagic demand application allows us to copy the demand. So if I clicked on the copy demand, I could simply select which ones that I wanted to copy, and then I could look at the date of that, and I could schedule, let's say, for the 12th, and then I could go ahead and copy that. So if I went over to the 12th now and I looked at the 12th, you'd see that those particular loads, okay, were right there and scheduled. So it allows us to manage and copy the demand very quickly. If I go into the harvesting schedule, it now looks at the different schedule. Notice it knew the date, okay, and it's actually the 9th today, so we're going to look at the 9th. So I've got 3 different varieties. I've got grapefruits and hamlins, and Master Harvesters is working on Sunday afternoon because that's this particular date. And here's the loads and what's actually been done so far. If I wanted to go out and purchase some fruit, I could do that, and I'd simply go click the purchase fruit button. Like the harvesting demand, I have the ability to copy schedules. So if I have a pretty good regimen on certain things that I'm doing, I can copy the schedules and just edit maybe the parcel. So it allows me to manage not only the demand and the schedule, and we can do those are both optional applications. You can manage it and start that process, or you can just simply go to the work with tickbook application and enter it. So as you can see here, I'm looking at our 11-12 season, and I've selected Master Fruit Harvesters was the selection, but if I went automatically and selected all of them, I could see everything. So let's say I wanted to only look at a hauler and see how their particular loads are going. So I can manage these tickets very easily. I could only look at a destination or a harvester or a specific variety. If I click on the ticket and actually go into the ticket detail, you'll see that this particular ticket, Hef's hauling service is doing it. There's the rate. Okay, in this case we don't have I've got a scheduled block, so in this case I'm going to bring in Blue Jay, we're going to say we're going to pay them $1.25 a box. In this particular case, the grower rate is optional. We're going to keep that the same. And All Fruit Contractors is handling the roadside in this case too, and that's going to be 45 cents. So we were going to charge the same thing to the grower. And I've got 510 boxes on this particular load, and I'll say our crew leader is our friendly one, and he's in crew 2. Both of those fields are optional. So at that point, I would simply click Add, and I could schedule additional blocks there if I wanted to do that. And it is that simple, and I've now got 2 particular blocks, and I'm going to click Enter, and we have finished our ticket. So now we've updated that particular ticket, and we've got 2 more blocks with 2 different people to help get that citrus, in this particular case, harvested off of the land. So if we wanted to go out and do our estimates, that's a simple process. And if I wanted to just go do that and select the 11-12 season, I simply click on search, and it will bring up all of our different groves. If I wanted to, or blocks or land areas, depending on how you've got them defined. If I wanted to go out and do a pre-ticket, where I go out and actually start the process of a ticket, and if I click in that field, it's designed for very simple, quick entry, and it looks up the database. So if I'm a field ticket writer and I'm out into the field, I could use this in a laptop, a ticket book, or a netbook, and I could generate this actually in the truck or at home or in the field, wherever I wanted to do it. And we're going to say it's $1.25 in this case, and the trailer number is 875, and I simply click the ticket, and that's updated. So now if I go back to my work with tickets application, you can then see all of the tickets that you're managing, and there was the ticket that I had just gotten done. So thank you for your time. And again, there's a lot of reports that are available that show you estimate versus actual, harvesting invoices, etc. Thank you for your time, and if you need further information, please visit our website at www.landmagic.com.